Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning into our channel. This is Kaiyah and I, and I'm her mommy Vanessa. Today we're going to show you how to do this easy braided pigtail style. It's super cute, it's quickish, and it doesn't require too many skills. You just have to be able to part the baby's hair, basically. So we're gonna start with clean hair. I shampooed and conditioned her hair earlier that day, and then I just let it air dry. I added some leave-in conditioner, a little bit of olive oil to seal in the moisture, and then I went in with my Emerge buttercream. All the links will be in the description box below. So once I make sure that her hair is basically well detangled, I just parted down the middle. I did a straight part as a way to guide me when doing my zigzag part. And I'm adding some gel right now just to help me get the part really straight, really neat. If you ever watch some hair tutorials, you'll notice that, or if you go to a braiding salon, you'll notice that the braiders sometimes put edge control or their favorite gel on the client's scalp along the part, and then they go back in and do the part again. This is a technique just to make that part neat. So right here, I just added that gel to help me make the part neat, the zigzag part neat. And when I tell you the struggle was real, oh my goodness, I almost started crying. This video was the hardest one to shoot so far, but it was a lot of fun getting that hairstyle, and I persevered because the hairstyle that I had in mind, I knew was going to be really cute, and I wanted to be able to have that. Once you're satisfied with that zigzag line, you're just going to make a little part at the front. So there's one side of the zigzag, right? Just follow through on the opposite side and just make a straight part. And that's that little triangle. The result will be a little triangle at the top of the child's head. That's what you see that I secured with that green ponytail holder. And then I went back into the back part to continue separating. So we're going to part from ear to ear essentially, but like at the top of her head, not going towards the bottom. So as you see there, I'm going straight up, but starting from her ear to get that part straight. So I'm gonna just continue that and just meet at the other ear on the right side, secure that front part, and then detangle the back part, and we're gonna get started with the process. Now, you guys know the motto, right? Part your hair, put your products, detangle, and secure. And this is the basic step that you're going to follow through and through until you're done with the style. I lined the part with her ear, and then I just put my products, detangled her hair. The product that I was using was actually Eco Styler gel, the flaxseed kind. So I put the Eco Styler gel, I detangle, and I secure, and then I did the braid. And this is the process that I followed through until I was done with the back and moved on to the front. So basically, you put your favorite product or gel, and you detangle the hair. Then you secure the part, and you braid it down or twist it, or whatever you wanted to do with the hair. That is all up to you. So I'm gonna follow that process, and I'm going to be connecting the bottom braids with the top braid all the way to the third braid. Once I'm done with that side, I'm moving on to the left-hand side. Now you'll see it's the same process. Again, I'm just putting the gel to help me make the hair neat. And of course, I had to detangle the hair because her hair was actually like really tangled at the end. This is partially why I don't do a lot of wash and goes with Kaiyah, because her hair will get tangled. The struggle was severe, y'all. It was severe. So anyways, let's get that part straight. Once you have it as straight as you can get it, or as straight as you want it to be, you just secure the top part so that it doesn't get mixed up with the bottom part. Then we go through our same process. You put your products, you detangle the hair, you brush it nice and neat, and you secure the part. And that's again going to be the process for this side. As you're securing, you're going to take that bottom piece of hair and you're going to add it to that top piece of hair. I found that if I start securing the part first and then add the bottom piece, it's a lot easier. So right here, you'll see me slow it down and I'm securing with my rubber band. I'm going to loop the rubber band 2 or 3 times, even 4 times if necessary, around the part before I pull that bottom piece of hair into that part. It's so much easier, and the hair is neat. It's easier because I can get the hair neat and secured, and then I add the other piece. Before, I was just connecting immediately, and it would be hard because I would have to go back in and detangle and brush again. So we're done with the back, and for the front, I had to readjust my little triangle and make it a little more neat. Once I'm satisfied with that, then I just follow the same process. I put my product, I detangle that side, that right side, and then I secured it. And I did the same thing on the left side. I took that little front part, put my product, my Eco Styler gel, and then I detangled the hair. Then I secured that front part before I added the back part to the front. So once your 2 pigtails are secured, I just moved on to the front and did 2 cornrows in that little triangle section. If you don't know how to do cornrows, you could just secure with rubber bands and make 2 little braids, or just let the child's hair curl down. It's gonna be cute either way. And once I have my cornrows done, I just put the beads in. As I mentioned before, Kaiyah loves beads, so whenever I do her hair, I try to put as many beads as possible. Sometimes she'll tell me she doesn't want beads, and I respect that. I mean, it's her hair, so I want her to also enjoy it, and it makes it a little easier. But if your child loves beads, there's nothing wrong with adding as many beads as they love, as colorful as you want it to be. So that's the final step. And once I'm done putting those beads in, I just sprayed her hair to get it really damp. I was trying to get rid of some of that Eco Styler gel on the ends. Although I love the Eco Styler because it really holds her hair well, I wanted to have a light, fluffy look for her ends. This is the final result.
Thank you, guys. Like and share. See you next time.